You cannot buy happiness, that's for sure. But you can buy cake, and that can bring you a whole lot of happiness, that's for sure. So say hi to Letta, an aspiring baker who loves playing with our cakes. Yip, Chateau Gâteau, Mozart, layers of soft meringue and hazelnut praline cream, topped with delicious dark chocolate shavings. So let's prepare the toppings. You will need hazelnuts, pistachios, blueberries, and fresh figs, lots of them. Let's start with the figs. Cut the figs in half and then into quarters. We've kept some in half and some in quarters for styling variation. Now, you can go simple and use 3 or 4 figs, or you can go big and decadent. I guess big and decadent it is then. Once all the figs have covered the surface of the cake, add your blueberries, your pistachios, and your hazelnuts. And yes, it's that easy. Music, please! No, that's Beethoven. That's not Mozart. Oh, just never mind. You killed the moment, man. Oh, now where was I? I told you she's got talent. Unlike my sound guy. Letta, well done. Now let me go slice this Mozart. Oh, I can't believe he actually played Beethoven. Look how amazing. Truly a work of art. Guys, come get your cake. I know, isn't she great? Here you go. All right, okay, down boy, I'm getting to you. Letta, you've earned this. There you go. Enjoy. And again, well done. And yours. Hey guys, where's mine? Where's the rest of the cake I sliced? Guys! Great, a pistachio nut. I'm telling you, it's the sound guy. He took my cake.